Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off ads on your YouTube content. Now, not everybody has a YouTube channel for monetization, and also it might be that you haven't hit the criteria yet to be monetized. You might not have enough subscribers, you might not be getting enough views. However, you may be recording content that you don't actually want ads on. For example, something that I listen to a lot is a sleep meditation. And if there is an ad that pops up in the middle or at the end, it can be very distracting. Therefore, I go and find channels who have it without ads on. So there are bonuses to not having ads, and this is how you turn it on. Okay, so you want to come into your dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to go to settings. You're going to click on channel, click on advanced settings, and then scroll down, and you can disable interest-based ads. And it does say there, if you select this option, personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channels, and these include ads based on viewer interests and remarketing ads. This may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. So to be honest, if you're not earning a revenue anyway, if you're not making any revenue from ads on your channel, then it's not going to make any difference to your income anyway. And actually, it does help improve the viewer journey, because not every video needs ads on it. Like I say, if it's something like a meditation or a Reiki or something like that, and an ad pops up in the middle of somebody supposed to be relaxing, then it's not very helpful. So select that, click on save, and that is it done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.